Okay. That's just a little bit too dangerous. You better not keep doing that. Okay, go ahead.
Alright, so we got it assembled outside here. That's what she looks like. Looks a little strange with those little skinny tires on the front end of it. But, yeah. If I put wider tires on it, the front end will be slightly wider than the rear end. Unless I make the tires wider or put a bit different axle on. That kind of stuff. Huh. Yeah. Pretty cool. Okay. Well, now I haven't had this engine started for about 2 months. Before it got really cold, I took the trike quad thingy out for a little bit of a spin. Yuck. I'm going to have to clean that out. It's got all sorts of, looks like it's got dirt in it. No, it's separating. Looks like it's got water. Yeah. Take out the bottom of the bowl, then just let it run out. Okay, let me see if I can show you guys what's going on here. See the rust? Yeah. There's not too much of it. Yeah. Yuck. Let's pour it on the fire. Pour the gas on the fire. Pour the gas on the fire. Okay. Alright. That was a little chore trying to get all the way in there. Trying to get that clamp off of there. But that's okay. Especially when I did the job with my 2.5-foot screwdriver. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Ready? That should be enough. Just to get her started. Spark plugs on. Icky gas. Good gas. I'll let the bowl fill up a little bit. Yeah. Now I only have two of the mounts, two of the bolts crisscross mounting this thing on. So no chain, no jack shaft, no nothing's hooked up to it. I haven't driven this for, like I said, about 2 months or so. So this is got clean gas. Took the bowl, or cleaned the bowl out, cleaned the tank out. So, didn't change the spark plug. Looks like it's still pretty decent. the floor paneling isn't vibrating as bad as I thought it would. I haven't even put any rivets in the thing or nothing like that. Just kind of left it as it is. Huh. Okay. Letting it idle is good enough. I don't want to rev it because you shouldn't really rev a engine without any load on it. So at least that's what I've heard. So better listen to the grapevine. Now we're going to be working on the tie rods and steering setup next. Yep. So I thought I'd just throw out this quick update, you guys. Cold start. Yep. And this is the one where I modified the air filter. Remember on that one video where I was talking about how the quad or the reverse trike thing was going to be set up, and since you were driving it like this and the engine's right in front of you, I needed to make sure that my air was coming from the front and not, because the exhaust is going to be pluming back here, and I didn't want the exhaust going up inside. So remember the modification that I did to the air filter, or the air housing, so the air goes in through here. And for those of you new subscribers who don't know about what I did here, you can click on this link right here, and it'll take you to the video. It shows you what I did to modify this this housing on this air filter. So there we go, you guys. Just a simple little quick update. Talk at you later. See ya.